Are you ready for an awesome year ahead? Yes, the new year 2021 is knocking at our door. And are you ready for it? Are you prepared for it? So that you can set your goals, desires, and dreams and you can achieve them. Yes, this is the most exciting time of the year when all the successful people they set their journey forward, they set their plan, they set their goals, they set themselves for a new successful year. And if you want to create a successful year, if you want to create an amazing awesome year, if you want to have a super powerful journey forward manifesting goals after goals, then yes, you are at the right place. Hi, I am Ajay Mishra, popularly known as Awesome AJ, because I help people to make their life awesome using the law of attraction and power of subconscious mind. I help people build their success mindset, and that's why I'm known as the #1 law of attraction coach in India. And as we are stepping into the new year 2021, I am conducting a powerful 5-day live workshop. This is the workshop for all the people who have goals, desires, and dreams and who want to achieve them. You know the process of law of attraction: dream, believe, act, and achieve. Yes. So this program is all about setting the dreams right, means setting the meaningful goals, powerful goals, and setting the goals in the right way, in the best way, so that every single day you will be able to believe in yourself, you will feel the deservingness, and you go forward and act, because you will be getting the action plan, how to act powerfully to move forward, so that you will achieve each one of those goals. So are you excited for it? So are you excited and ready to make the next year the most awesome year ever? I know that you are ready for it, and that's why this program is for you. So right now sign up for this program, because this program is going to be a game changer for you, and it will set you forward for the next year that is going to be super awesome for you. And you will go from success to success, manifestation to manifestation, and most importantly, you will move forward with positivity, focus, motivation, growth, and success. And in this program, there will be a lot of tools, techniques, resources, templates, bonuses that will help you keep yourself in the flow all through the year. So book your slot and join me in this 5-day virtual live workshop. In this program, it's going to be a transformational experience for you. Follow the sign up link and join right now. See you in the program. Thank you, thank you, thank you.